Welcome aboard. In this video, I will explain a promising Telegram bot. Let's get started. According to your statistics on Telegram, DOGS, which distributes coins based on your stats, is listed on Binance and many other exchanges. DOGS has distributed many coins to its users. The operation of DOGS was quite simple and provided good earnings to its users. In this video, I will talk about another coin with potential that is similar to the DOGS project. The name of the project is FROGS. You can access the FROGS project using the referral link below this video. If you like, you can also leave your own referral link in the comments. After opening FROGS, you will be given a score based on your Telegram statistics. This score is an initial score. It is up to you to increase your score. By completing simple tasks, you have a chance to earn FROGS. When I opened the bot, I was given 3,300 FROGS. With the daily check-in, I have a total of 4,100 FROGS. I will complete all the tasks available here and collect FROGS. On the homepage, you will find wallet linking and tasks. You can see your rank on the leaderboard. The Friends section is where you can create your invitation link. Currently, there are 230,000 people using the Telegram bot. Collecting points early could be advantageous. You can ask your questions using the comments section. I recommend visiting my playlist for other Telegram bots. You will find MemeFI, TapSwap, Hamster, Banana, and other Telegram bots in my playlist. We are following trends in crypto and currently reviewing popular Telegram bots. And we will continue to do so. I hope this video is useful to you. Stay tuned. See you in the next video.